In this video, we show how to replace the cooling fan on a PowerEdge XE7745. Before working inside your system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support.
To remove the fan module, hold the orange and black edges and lift the cooling fan module to disconnect the connector from the fan board. To install the fan, align and lower the cooling fan connector on the fan board and then press the orange touch point on the cooling fan until it firmly connected.
For more information or support, it's at the PowerEdge XE7745. Visit dell.com/support.